If you couldn't resist the urge of clicking on the thumbnail of this video, chances are that your audience retention ability is very low and not encouraging, which also means that your watch hour or watch time will probably take forever to increase. But don't worry, you're not alone on this because I learned the hard way. I can tell you this for a fact that YouTube, also known as the algorithm, doesn't really care about you or me or even those big channels you admire. In fact, to an extent, YouTube doesn't really care about the content you create or upload. However, here is what YouTube actually cares about and can never leave unnoticed. Literally. It is the ability or whatever strategy you can use to get your viewers stuck or glued on your channel for as long as possible. Have you ever asked yourself, what tool can I use to achieve this? And by this, I mean, what tool can you use to get people stuck on your channel? Well, end screens are here to save the day. End screens are YouTube features that are used to promote other videos, playlists. It could be your website for your product. It could also be your other channels in case you have more than one channel, of course. End screens help promote your previous, recent, or most relevant content. So in a nutshell, end screens are clickable links with thumbnails that usually appear at the end of your videos, that is within the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. The most exciting fact about getting viewers hooked is not just that the algorithm will fall perpetually in love with you, it is the fact that it will definitely help you accumulate endless watch time or watch hour, which is the only thing that matters as far as monetization is concerned. So with this being said, let's quickly jump into this detailed but quick tutorial on how to add end screens to your video. Open your Chrome browser. By all means, please use Chrome, not Google. The Google will redirect you, so use Chrome. Hit the search bar and search studio.youtube.com. This is going to take you to YouTube Studio, but in a desktop format. Not the regular YouTube Studio you and I know. So this is what a YouTube Studio looks like in a desktop format. There are so many features over here, which means we have a little workspace to work with. So you have to zoom this to be able to see what you're doing. Just pinch and drag and zoom it. We are going to click on the content icon by our left hand side. It is the second option from the top. Yeah, click on it and every video you've ever uploaded on YouTube will pop up just like this. Go ahead and click on any video of your choice that you want to add your end screen to. If you've never added any end screen, you can pick the videos one after the other until you're done. So let's just go ahead and click on one of the videos. It is advisable that you click on the title of the videos. That way your options pops up almost immediately. You can zoom in to see what you're working with. Click on the end screen option by your right hand side. It is the second to the last option over here. This will pop up and you're going to make use of these ready to use templates that YouTube Studio has provided. That is for beginners, but if you're a pro, I'm sure you can find your way around it by customizing your own templates by clicking on this element option and following the prompt options that would pop up after clicking on it. However, we are not going to be doing pro version whatsoever. We are just going to follow the simple basic steps because that is more time saving. This is what I actually do. I just go ahead to choose from the ready to use templates over here. And yeah, so for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to choose a template from these ones that I've provided. Now, this is the trick. If you want to promote one video or two videos on your end screens, all you have to do is choose an appropriate template for it. These rectangle shapes you see are where your videos are meant to appear. Whichever template that has two rectangle means there are provision for two videos. Anyone that has one rectangle means it is just going to display one video. So choose which one you want to go for. Because I want to add two videos to my end screens, I'll click this option that has two rectangle shapes. You are seeing these two videos in the rectangles because I had already added end screens before now. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to click on each of them. Click on this delete icon to get rid of them. After deleting those, go ahead to click on element, click on video, and automatically empty templates will reappear, and this time they are empty and you can add your preferred video. Once you click on the rectangle, if you want YouTube to select your most recent video for you automatically, click on the first option. If you want them to select your best viewers video, click on the second option. But for me, I am going for the third option that gives me the access to a specific video. Here it takes me to every video I've ever uploaded on YouTube, and all I have to do is click on my preferred video. Preferably I would pick a video that has connection with the one I'm adding the end screen to. And yeah, I'll do the same for the second option. I'll click on element, click on video, and the second template would appear, and repeat the process to add your second video. I just picked my second video. Now there is this important thing you need to know. Make sure both are not overlapping each other. If they do, it will not work. And how do you make sure they are not overlapping? It is when you click on each of them and they are blue in color. That is when you know you're safe. But once you click and they are red, you are not safe. You have to readjust until they are blue. So for this circle in between them is where your profile picture shows. And yeah, people can subscribe through there. And when you're done, you can click on save. Congratulations, my loves. You just successfully learned how to add end screens to your video. If this video was helpful, please reward me already by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. You can as well drop your questions on the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. My name is Soma Edit, and I love sharing with my community what I know, what I wish I knew, and I just want to say thank you for watching. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye. Please make sure you subscribe though. God bless you.